called her back because, she had served her purpose like Ram and Krishna. So I think she was the greatest gift to humanity and music. And it will be a loss that, if you can call it a loss, I don't think, because we have not lost her. We'll always have her. But yes, physically that she's gone away is indeed very tragic. Hello.
You have a favorite song of Lata Mangeshkar. We can go from the 40s right down to the 90s and discover one Lata magical song after the other. You've got the 40s and Aane Wala.
Yes, Chup Chup Khade Ho Zarur
Aayega,
Koi Baat
Aayega,
Hai,
Aane
Pehli
Wala. You
Mulaqat
can
Hai.
go to the 50s.
Yes, and all those songs that song. Yes. Chup chup khade ho zarur koi baat hai, pehli mulaqat hai, ye pehli mulaqat hai. All those songs. Uthaye ja unke sitam. All those songs. Can you imagine Mughal-e Azam becoming an epic without Lata Mangeshkar song? प्यार किया तो डरना क्या जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या. It was a part of our lives. We grown up with this. Wow. We have learned our life's biggest lessons through her song. We have become
and the genius Shekhar and the genius Shekhar Bhai. And the genius is that she could sing for SD and RD, she could sing for Roshan Saab, and she could sing for Rajesh Roshan. So she cut across generations even of music directors.
And the best song she sang
could
for
be in the
Mohan.
1950s with Ye Raat Bhigi Bhigi with a Manna Day, or she could be with a Rafi Saab, or she could be with a Kishore. Her duets extended across
Any.
singers.
Whether it was Husnlal Bhagat Ram, or it was Shankar Jaishanka, or Lakshmikant Pyarelal, or Kalyanji Anandji, or Naushad, or anybody. She was there, and all